Hello everyone and welcome back to my video. This is Mike Davyup, and for today's video I'll be making a quick review of this replica or cheap replica of the Jisoo Life Pro 1. So this looks like a Jisoo Life, but it's not a Jisoo Life fan. This is a high-speed handheld fan with a model of WX638. This is an updated or new version of this cheap Pro 1S replica. So it says here, this is natural wind, high capacity, and 100 gear wind speed adjustment. This is the WX638. It has a weight of 186 grams, which is quite light for this fan. The working power is 5 watts. Working current for charging is 2 amps. The battery capacity is a 3000 milliampere 21700 battery. So I bought this for around 400 plus. The regular version should be around more or less 300 plus, but this one is at 400 plus. Don't worry, I'll be putting down links below in the description of this video. So whenever this goes on sale, but most of the time it's on sale, you can get this at a cheaper price. We have here the manual on how to operate this. We have here your USB type A to USB type C wrist lanyard. Lastly, we have here the fan itself. Yes, it does look like the Pro 1S, not with the colors and design, but this is a white fan. It does not have a scroll wheel to adjust its gear speed, but you can do a few clicks or long presses. This is the back part. This is the bottom part. This is rubberized for it because it can stand by itself. At the back here, I don't know if you can see, that's USB type C for charging and its protective power switch. The Jisoo Life F8X here can accidentally turn on inside my bag with its flashlight on, but this has a safety switch for on and off so that this will not be accidentally turned on inside your bag. So this is one. For a single press of the buttons, you get from 1 to 25 to 50, 75 gear power, and 100%. Yes, it's quite loud, just like a hair dryer, but for 100%, I don't think everyone will use full 100% of its power. I'd say at just 25% or gear 25, it's good enough already. I want to fine tune it, not 25. Let's say I want to use 10 or less. So you just have to long press to go to a lower gear. So I have now 10. But to go back to 25 or its other settings, just one press and it goes back to 25. Then it shows you here the battery percentage. Right now we are at 77% of battery. Clicking it will give you the gear percentage and it goes back to the battery percentage. Going down and it turns off the fan. If you want to use it, you don't need to flick the switch on and off, just turn it on again. This is just for protective measure here. If you're not going to use this or you're going to put this on the bag, then flick the switch to off. I recommend this to you because this is a perfectly cheap replica of the Jisoo Life Pro 1. So if you do not have the budget to buy Jisoo Life, you can go with this fan. You could see many students and other people having this kind of fan right now. Everywhere you go, you can hear its noise or even see that they're holding this type of fan. So make sure to click on my affiliate link so you can help the channel out and also get a discounted price whenever this goes on sale. So that was my video of this WX638 handheld portable fan or high-speed handheld fan. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe this video. I'll also be putting down my social media links. And that's all. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.